So right, I got the rear, they're all sorted now, and I just doing the last corner. It's fucking hot as hell in here, it's like 28 degrees. I'll, I don't know if we can swap this camera around or not. Oh, there we go. So this is what it looked like before, and that there, that's why I changed on the other one, because it comes right into where you would be sitting. Here's a steering wheel, and that's it here, right there. So that's no good. So we sorted that one out by there. That was all looking nice in there. So now we gotta sort this lot out. What a big difference, huh? Look at the state of it. And the backs all together. Just sorting out the handbrake and all on the back, and then all that'll be done. So can't wait till that's done. Whew. Yeah. Right, we're coming here now. This is my old works. Come to pick up some bits that I've needed to do. So let's have a look.
Hi, boy.
My old boss. Say hello to everybody, Steve.
You good, kid?
Oh, this is all his stuff. This is where I used to work a long time ago. Do a little blog. You guys just sort that out for me.
Yeah, they've gone there. Yeah, have this money back.
No. No, you've done that for me, and
Alright, I'll use a bit of that, kid. That'll be great. Yeah, that'll be fine. Alright, kid. No problem. Thanks, bud. Yeah, I don't know how short we'll get him there.
that's a sneak peek of my old works, where we're going to get the rear hubs sorted out. We'll stick them on the machine and machine them for the centre hubs. But as you can see, I got these are all painted to dry now, and the swing arms. So we're going to put all this back together and get that cut and get that sorted. And that's what we're going to do today. So yeah. Okay, we just welded our little piece to go in into here, box it off, just like so, just like that, and then obviously we'll have to make him up a bit better, and I'll box that off there then. Yeah, tidy. Whew, just gotta weld them in now. Right, we got it done. It's not my best work, but am I happy with it? No, not really. Can I cut it out? No, not really. Is it staying? Yes. So we'll give him a spray now, and that should be it for that bit. Again, I'll give it a bit of a clean. Spray a bit of that on there. See that on there, let it dry, and then we put some black on it then. There we are. Lovely, all done. Lovely jubbly. Looking good. These come out nice. Pack some more nice new grease in it. Make them all new. And then from my motorbiking days, I got some wire. So I'll wire them on, give them a spin, That one's already done, as you can see. Like in there's the man. And so I'm guessing these were new at one stage. Just haven't been used, so I might get this bloody thing on here. There we are. Stick some wire around it, and these are good to go, like brand new. Come on, get on it. Like so. Lock, and then she is good. She is good to go. Do the same with the top and that one. It's a good one. And there we have it. All back together. Looking a lot better than this. A lot better, doesn't it? Yeah, hell of a lot better. Whew.